This is the best macaroni and cheese you will ever make, I promise. Drain the noodles and then shred your own cheese. It makes a difference. This is about 16 ounces of sharp cheddar, white or yellow. In that same pot that you boiled the noodles to save some dishes, melt a stick of butter, put in a half a cup of flour, whisk that really well so the flour can cook. The great thing about this recipe is you can make it a day or two ahead and keep it in the refrigerator and then just pop it in the oven on the day you want to serve it. Add in some garlic salt, some black pepper, and then you're going to add in 4 cups of milk. It's really important that you stir it constantly as it comes to heat and begins to thicken. You'll know that it's done because it's nice and thick and it kind of coats the rim of the pan in a nice smooth layer. You can see that there. So then you're going to take those noodles and pour them in a casserole dish. You'll put that shredded cheese on top of the warm noodles. They'll start to melt a little bit. And then you'll take that thickened sauce and pour it over the cheese and the noodles. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to leave it and let it sit for about 5 minutes so the cheese can start to melt. In the meantime, you're going to take some panko and butter and brown that panko. This will be the topping. And then you're going to go back and stir together the noodles and the cheese and the sauce. Top it with that panko and pop it in the oven.